In natural hot springs, Japanese macaques warm themselves up in winter. I'm Ash Potter and I'm going to Jigokudani Monkey Park in Nagano, Japan to see these wild snow monkeys bathing in hot springs. Our journey begins in Tokyo. So I'm waiting now at the Shinkansen train station. I'm getting the Shinkansen to Nagano. From Nagano, I'll get a local train out to the village of Yamanochi and hike to the monkey park.
It's actually the shortest Shinkansen, the shortest bullet train, because it only takes 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm walking now to the Snow Monkey National Park. So basically there's wild monkeys, the really vicious ones with the red arses, and they go to the onsen here, the natural hot springs, and they bathe in it, and they say it's best to come when it's snowing. So that's what I did after I got off the Shinkansen. Went to my hostel, and now I'm going to see snow monkeys. It's actually not as cold as I thought it would be. Do not give the monkeys food. Do not show the monkeys any food.
Jigokudani roughly translates to Hell Valley because of the hot springs that have risen from the grounds. The monkeys are wild, so they come and go as they choose. Some people say that the monkeys actually enjoy bathing in the hot springs, just like humans.
Oh, would you look at the little baby? Oh, look at that!